Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you on how to cook okra. There are a variety of ways to cook okra, but today I am going to fry okra, also called as gumbo or lady's finger. Why lady's finger? Lady's finger because of its pointed tip. As a kid, I hated vegetables, especially okra because of its sticky texture. However, this changed as I grew up. I love okra now and I don't hate eating them. I am slowly learning to grow vegetables and I am loving my new hobby. It's a different feeling when you see a plant growing. It's like all of a sudden you achieve something great in life. And your life has meaning. It's like I am connected to plants and nature. However, growing plants is not easy at all, especially if you live in a tropical country like the Philippines. The weather here is constantly changing. Because of this, I understand the difficulties our farmers face in growing rice, fruits, and vegetables. Also, I want to become a farmer someday. Even though the weather here sometimes it is hot and it rains. Okay, please don't worry. I wash my hands and they are clean. I have washed the okras as well. And the first step is to prepare the okra for cooking. And the most important step is to cut them into small pieces so we can put them in a steak later. To prepare this recipe, you only need 6 ingredients. You will also need red bell pepper. Once you are done cutting the okras, you can now add the salt and pepper. It's time to add the eggs too. Mix the eggs, salt and pepper and okra by using a fork or a spoon. You will need to make sure that each cut okra is coated with the egg so you won't have problem adding the flour. I use a hot dog stick in this video because I want to make sure that all sides of the okra are coated with flour. Repeat the same process until every piece is coated evenly. This recipe is just very easy to make, not difficult at all. However, it is just tiring, especially the part where I have to dip the okra into the egg and flour, very time consuming. Also, it can take quite a while to cook, especially if the okra is not young. So make sure that your cooking oil is boiling very hot. Another tip is to use a young okra so it will cook quickly and you don't have to chew well when eating. When I chewed the okra, it was a bit hard due to its fibrous texture. Also, use the best melting cheeses which are soft, fresh, and creamy. Because the one I use is just cheap and widely. Thank you so much for watching. I have a special video for you and I am not yet done. Thank you. Mag-behave na ka sa ate katong baby pa ko. Mag-behave na si ate, okay? Hoy, sa ate katong baby pa ko, mag-behave na si ate. Ano lang sa buyak? Ikaw mag-behave na pod ka. Yeah, sa ate mag-cook si mama and si papa. Mag-behave lang sa ate. Mag-sit down lang sa ate mag-behave.